Let's start with relational operator of Python. In the term relational operator, relation refers to the relationship that values or operands can have with one another. Thus, relational operator determine the relation among different operands. Python provides 6 relational operators for comparing values. If the comparison is true, the relation expression result into the Boolean value true or to Boolean value false if the comparison is false. Relation operators are less than equal to, greater than or equal to, equal to. This double equal to represent equal to, not equal to. The combination of exclamatory note along with the equal to is called not equal to. Relational operator works with nearly all types of data in Python such as numbers, string, list, tuple, etc. Now let me show you some of the operation and how these operators, relational operators, works on operands. Suppose say 5 greater than 10. It is true or false. 5 is greater than 10. It is false. So it will give you the output false in word. If you write say 3 less than 20, yes, the condition is true, so it will return true. If you write say 10 equal to 10, this is true. So for the equality checking, you have to use double equal to, and for the initialization you will use a single equal to. Next, 5 not equal to 8. Yes, 5 is not equal to 8. The condition is correct, so it will return true. If you write 5 not equal to 5, this is false because 5 is equal to 5. So like this, you can compare these values and this expression will give you the result in true or false, that is in the Boolean form. You can also initialize a value into a variable, say 12, a equal to 12 and b equal to say 10. You can also write like this, whether a greater than b or not, or a greater than equal to b or not. Obviously a is greater than b, so it will give you true. Let's write another example, say b less than equal to a. Whether b is less than or equal to a. Obviously b is less than a, so it will give you true. So this is how you can use this relational operator with the variable along with the values. Relational operator works on the following principle. For numeric types, the values are compared after removing trailing zeros after decimal point from a floating point number. For example, if you compare 4 and 4.0, these two will be treated as equal. So let me show you an example. Let's write a equal to, or just to remove the variable, you do not have to write any variable, just write down 4 equal to 4.0. Look, it will give you true. So if a floating point value does not contain any fractional decimal part, so it will just ignore the 0 after point, so it will just check whether 4 is equal to 4, so it will give you true. But if you write 4 equal to 4.2, obviously this will return a false value. Next, strings are compared on the basis of lexicographical ordering. Capital letters are considered lesser than small letter. Example, capital A is less than small letter a. That's mean the ASCII of capital letter A is less than the ASCII of small letter a. Let me show you this example in the Python interpreter. If I write capital A, since it is a character, so it must be enclosed within a single quote, less than small letter a. So is it true or false? Obviously it is true because the ASCII of capital letter A is less than the ASCII of small letter a. If you have no knowledge about the ASCII, then go to my description box, there you will find the link of the video where the ASCII had been explained. So now if I write say 9 less than, say, capital letter A. So the ASCII of 9 is less than the ASCII of capital letter A. So it will also give you true. Again, suppose I'm writing, say, AND greater than, say, ANT. Since both the word containing 3 letter, now the A of and the A of ant will be compared. These two letters are equal, so it will proceed to the next character, that is N. So this N of and the N of ant, these are also same. Now it will move to the small d of and it will check with small t of ant. So the ASCII of D will be compared with ASCII of T. Since the ASCII of D is not greater than the ASCII of T, so it will give you a false. So this is how the less than, greater than, or the relation operators works on this character or string. Now, two lists or tuples are equal if they have same element in the same order. That's mean if you write, say, 1, 2, 3, this is a list. Let's check with 1, 2, 3. This is also a list, and both the lists are identical and it will give you a true value. In the same case, if you write a tuple and perform an equality checking with another tuple of the same length and value, it will give you true. So the two lists or tuple are equal if they have same elements in the same order. At last, Boolean true is equal to 1 and Boolean false to 0 for comparison purpose. So let me show you like this. If you write bool, this is a function of Python. If you write, say, 0, it will return false. Now if you write bool 1, it will give you true. Now if you add true true with some integer value, say 10, it will return 11 because true is considered as 1. So 1 is added up with 10. And if you subtract 5 minus false, that's mean 5 minus 0, it will give you 5. So these are some basic operation on relational operator. There are more things to show you regarding the relational operator when it works on list or tuple. So this thing will be covered when I explain list or tuple, and it will be in a separate videos. Now let me show you how relational operator works with arithmetic operators. The relational operator have a lower precedence than arithmetic operator. That's mean, suppose I'm writing say a equal to 10, okay, and b equal to 20. Now let's write a plus 5, whether it is greater than b minus 2 or not. Since relational operator have a lower precedence than arithmetic operator, that's mean the arithmetic operation will do first. A plus 5 will be evaluated first and it will give you 10 plus 5, 15. Then the right hand side b minus 2 will be evaluated then, so it will be 20 minus 2, 18. Now it will operate on this relational operator and it will check whether this condition is greater than this condition or not. That's mean a plus 5 is greater than b minus 2 or not. So 15 greater than 18? No, it will return you a false value. Now let me show you another example. Say a plus 5 greater than b minus 2. So the value of a is 10 and this is within parenthesis 5 greater than b. Since the priority of the parenthesis is greater than any other operator, so it will work first. So 5 greater than b, b means 20, 5 greater than b, it will give you 0. So what will be the expression then? A plus 0 minus 2. A is 10. That's mean 10 plus 0 minus 2. So it will give you 8. So look, if you press enter, it will give you 8. So this is all for this video, and if you have any problem, you can write it in the comment box. Subscribe to my channel Online Technical Mentor and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.